Hello guys, Charlie. Today's recipe dear, it's butter bread. I mean milk butter bread, very heavy and delicious and very rich. I mean this bread, you need to try it. Look at it, rich, very soft. Oh, you will love every bit of it. And so we are going to go straight to the recipe. But before then, do subscribe for me, like and share this video, and leave a comment. We are going to start by activating our yeast. So I have 150 ml of lukewarm water. I just poured in 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then I'm going to cover with a cling film. Set it aside for 5 minutes or between 5 and 10 minutes. And so we are going to mix our dry ingredients. I have 4 cups of hard flour, and I'm adding 1 cup of non-dairy milk powder. Like I said, this is milk, and I'm adding sugar, just small amount of sugar. I added nutmeg, I added milk flavor, and then I added vanilla flavor. I'll leave the quantity in the description box or the comment section side. Okay, so I'm adding my margarine to it. This is half cup of margarine. Yes, because it's butter bread, you need enough butter in this. Abi you bab. Yes, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. You can decide to omit the eggs. You can decide to omit the eggs, but me, I love my bread rich. So we are mixing everything together very well. Make sure that you mix it very well. If you have a stand mixer, you can use it to mix it. And I'm going to add yeast. It has activated very well, so I'm going to add everything to it, and then we will mix it with our hands. Please like and share this video for me, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks to all those of you who have been watching my videos and who share and subscribe. And now Akosio Free, thanks for your comments all the time. I really appreciate it. And so I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix it. So the only water I used is the water that I used for the to activate the yeast. Yes, I forgot to add salt, so I'm going to add salt solution. Yes, I'm going to sprinkle salt solution on top, like 2 tablespoons of salt solution, and I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix it and then stretch the bread a bit to get it smooth. Yes, so I did this for about 5 to 8 minutes, till you realize that you have what you want, the consistency that you want. Please do well to like and share this video for me. Leave a comment. I will really be grateful if you could do that for me. Share also for me. And so we are going to cover this and then leave it there for it to rest for 10 minutes. So we are going to cover and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, here is it. Okay, and so I'm going to knead it on the chopping board just a little, just some small kneading. So I'll sprinkle flour on my chopping board and I'm going to knead it a little bit. Yes. Okay, just a little, and then I'll grease my bowl with margarine. Okay, so this is it. See how smooth it is looking. I'm going to place it in the bowl and then I'll cover it for 30 minutes. And so when you knead it very well and you press on it, it will bounce back. So let's cover, and I'm going to leave it at a warm place or at the counter for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes it has doubled in size, and so I'm going to mold it now. Please like and share this video, leave a comment for me, and subscribe. Those of you who watch my videos but you have not subscribed, please subscribe for me, help me to grow this channel. So we are going to mold it, and I'm going to also sprinkle flour on my chopping board, sorry, my rolling pin, and I'm going to roll this. Roll it very well, and I am going to fold it. So folding it on top. Another one. Okay, and I'm going to pinch it and then roll it to seal it very well. Okay, so I have already greased my bread pan. Yes, I've already greased it with margarine and sprinkled some flour in it. So we are going to lift the dough and place it in the pan. And I'm going to cover it with the lid. I'm going to cover it with the lid, yes. And I will not cover it 100%. So I'm going to take it to the sun for between 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour, and this is it. But I cannot open for you to see, so we are going to bake this. I baked this in the oven for about 40 minutes, very low heat. Yes, I make sure the heat was very low so that I'll not burn it. So our bread is ready and we are opening it. So between 40 minutes to 1 hour, because this is very heavy, so you need to give it much time. So this is it. You see, we are going to so make sure you don't set your fire very high. Let it be very low and give it enough time to bake. So this is the Tuesday. I use scissors to take off the edges from it. Very heavy bread, Charlie. As for this bread, looking scrumptious, very delicious. So you're going to cut it or slice it. Yes, slicing some. You see our butter bread. You can use butter, but in this video we used margarine. And so this is our milk butter bread, homemade, very delicious and nutritious as well. As I said, you can omit the egg. You can also decide to omit the milk and then do it like that without any milk and no egg too. You see the bread. Charlie, give this a try and come and share your testimony with me. You see, very soft, and the flavor, my kitchen was smelling so good. So this is it. Get your Milo or whatever you want to pair with it, and you will love it. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment. Bye bye.